simple engine checks that can save your car from major damage. Alright, let's walk through some quick but very important checks under the hood. Because these little things, if ignored, can cause serious engine damage. First, we pull out the dipstick to check the engine oil. As you can see, the oil level is almost right at the tip of the dipstick, which means it's dangerously low. Low oil starves the engine of lubrication, and if driven like this, it can lead to overheating, worn bearings, or even a seized engine. Always clean the dipstick and check twice to be sure of the reading. Next, we open the radiator cap to check the coolant level inside the radiator. Coolant is what keeps the engine from overheating. If it's low, the engine can run hot, blow a head gasket, or warp the cylinder head. That's a repair you don't want on your hands. Now, looking at the intake system, we find the big hose that connects the air filter housing to the throttle body has come loose. A detached hose lets in unfiltered air, full of dust and dirt, straight into the engine. That can damage sensors, clog the throttle body, and even cause internal engine wear. So, we reattach the hose and tighten the clips firmly with a screwdriver to make sure it's sealed properly. Finally, we disconnect the MAF sensor and take a quick look at the connector and wiring before plugging it back in. The MAF sensor measures how much air is going into the engine. If it's not connected properly, the car may run rich or lean, waste fuel, or even stall. Making sure the connector is clean and seated correctly is a simple step that prevents a lot of drivability issues. These checks may seem small, but together they protect the heart of your engine. Remember, prevention is always cheaper than repair. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and drop your comments for more car tips.